Hello everyone, Stan Conrad from the Greek for All is here. And today, me and my family, we came to one of the local vineyards to pick some grapes. And today we're gonna learn a very important word, Greek word for the New Testament, which means vineyard. And so here is my family, my girl, my wife, my kids there. So here we are, and look at this vineyard. Look at these grapes. Wow, look, they're so big, so nice. Beautiful, beautiful day. So by the way, this is the vineyard. It goes all the way here and there. Look at these grapes, guys. Look at this. Wow. Huge, just enormous, enormous. So there's just this black grapes. On the other side there's some red ones, green ones. And so the Greek word for vineyard is ampelon. Ampelon means vineyard. Ampelon appears many times in the New Testament. Jesus says that he is the vine or the vineyard, ampelon, and we are his branches. There's another imagery here. The vineyard in the Bible is the image of Israel. So vineyard is the symbol of Israel. We are the workers or tenants to whom this vineyard was entrusted to work, to bring some fruit. Really good grapes. This is the word for you today. So learn Greek, love God, all the best.